Today I'm testing Google's brand new Nano Banana image generator. Nano Banana is a nickname for Gemini 2.5 Flash, which right now is ranked at the very top of the LM Arena leaderboard. That's an open system where people compare AI models head to head. It's called Nano because it's designed to be lightweight and efficient, and Banana because Google wanted a playful, memorable name instead of another cold, technical one. Too far? So let's see what it can actually do. Of course, Google makes you click through a few consent check marks first. Here we are inside the Google interface. You can see right here we're using the Nano Banana model. I'm going to let Google Earth decide our locations for the designs. I'll hit I'm feeling lucky. The globe spins and it drops in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Back in Nano Banana after copy-pasting the address, make a t-shirt design on black background of Sao Paulo, Brazil. Retro style. The first result looks solid, clean retro aesthetic, but let's refine it. You can branch out from here and type, change graphic to a Sao Paulo landmark. It gave us a design of this modern bridge. Now that looks even better, tied directly to the city. Let's roll the dice again. This time Google Earth takes us to Barcelona. I'll prompt, draw a retro t-shirt design for Barcelona, Spain. This result that includes the Sagrada Familia looks good, similar to the Sao Paulo design, probably because it's still branching from the same base. That can be great for scaling a series of designs with a consistent aesthetic. But Barcelona can also be risky. There are a lot of trademarks tied to that word. Let's check the USPTO. Type in Barcelona and 25 for the code. Sure enough, there are plenty of Barcelona trademarks out there. Not a direct conflict, but definitely risky. One more spin. This time Google Earth takes us from Barcelona to New Orleans. Let's upload a photo into Nano Banana and prompt it with, illustrate this building for a t-shirt design of New Orleans, Louisiana. And it generates a clean design. Simple, bold, and recognizable. This can be easily vectorized. For our last design, I asked it to make a map-style design of New Orleans instead. This is the result that came back. Minimal, crisp, and modern. When I accidentally reran the same prompt, it produced another variation that still looked good. Just to test the accuracy, I asked GPT-5 if the map was accurate, and it said it was. Google's Nano Banana model is fast, flexible, and shows real strength in not just text prompts, but also when you upload images to guide it. It feels like a serious competitor against GPT-5 in the image generation space. Have you tried Nano Banana yet? Let me know in the comments if you've used it, or if you got any tips for getting better designs.